look at him chop. Fuck, that was my finger. What's going on, guys? So today I've got a specialised, I think it's Hard Rock Sport 29-inch wheel hardtail mountain bike, which I plan to do a full conversion on 2000 watts. Before it gets dark, it is nearly lunchtime, and at the moment it gets dark by about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I plan to have it built, test ridden and photographed before it gets dark. So let's get to it. Right, first things first, I've got to take the brake disc off of the old wheel to go on to the new. Fuck. Great. Second bolt I've come to is rounded straight away. It's not the start that I intended. Right, how are we going to get this out? It's rounded. Fuck, that was my finger. Ouch. Fucking hell. So it was a good idea initially, thinking that I could hammer this Throttle into the screw to get a good bite on it. What I didn't envisage is the top of it isn't fucking flat. So it slipped off and smashed the fuck out of my finger. Let's try again.
Few moments later. A few minutes later. A little longer than a...
Hey! Get off there, you fuck. Yeah, that's alright, that'll do. That fucking thing out of the way. And you can see that I managed to drill the head off successfully. That was a bit of a fucking nightmare. Sometimes these things very rarely happen, but sometimes they just do. It is what it is. When you're doing these kits, always throw these little plastic spacers away that go behind the disc. They never do any favours. They make the alignment of the brake caliper completely out of whack and they give you a headache, so get rid of them. Bad. Torque arm is fitted. Right, I just had a quick test of the drivetrain by pedalling it by hand, and I could feel something rubbing, and I think it's just the plastic chain guard on the crank. So they're kind of dork rings anyway, as I call them, little stupid plastic guards that do nothing. So I'm going to remove that. Hopefully that'll clear that rubbing sound. There we go, taking that off, that's cleared the rubbing sound. Gears need a little bit of adjustment down at the bike shop, but It's not going to stop me getting this build finished today. Right, time to take the bottle holder off and fit the battery. Time to install the throttle. Got the grip and the throttle on. I've run the cables for the display throttle all the way across underneath the top bar. Just going to snip off the excess cable ties. Oh, you're a big girl. You are a big girl. Right, I think that's it. Over there. Get ready for the little spark. Or not. It's a change. Right, I think that is ready to switch on. Right, is it going to throw up an error when I hit the throttle? No, she wants to go. Sweet. Right, let's get everything else knocked together. Right guys, just going to show you the setup on this. So on this here you've got the on button and the up and down arrows. Going to turn it on, then within a couple of seconds hold up and down at the same time to enter setup mode. So switch it on, up and down. There we go, into the settings. So the only ones you can change really actually do anything are these top three. LIM for limit, which you can't actually go above 72, which is a shame. Wheel diameter 29 inch, which is exactly right. And unit, just going to change that from 0 to 1. I think 0 is kilometers an hour, number 1 is miles per hour. So just go up, oh, down. Change that to 1. 29, leave that. That won't go any faster, unfortunately. So that's about 44, 45 mile an hour maximum speed. done. Right, I think that looks about done. I think that's good. Let's take this out for a test ride. And there she is. All finished. Actually looks pretty sick. Size large frame, 19-inch wheels. Sorry, not 19-inch wheels, 29-inch wheels. 19-inch large frame. Well guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you're interested in this bike, check out Steve's EBIKE Southeast on Facebook, or this should be up on Marketplace. Yeah, not a lot else to say really. Really good bike. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in a video soon.